Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Just a little video update. Look what I just bought. Amiga 4000 guys. We're gonna take a closer look at this computer. We're gonna take a look at CPU, RAM, this lovely motherboard. I mean, it's dusty, yes, but I mean, this board is maybe the most beautiful motherboard I have ever owned. Crazy condition, guys. Also around the battery. So just a little video update. Yes, I'm still here. I haven't uploaded nothing for about a week, but I'm just so busy. I am so busy, guys. I have no time for my retro love. But it will come. Winter is coming. So just a short little video update. Just want to say I'm so happy with this one. Stay tuned, guys. This computer is just filled with demos and oh my god, this is gonna be awesome. I love to look through all these old hard disks. Nice. I wish you a great day, guys. Have a nice one out there. Bye.